hindi na para to ang Hiyas sa Kalambuan. Wait.
To be among the top 3 has been unexpected, for I share this very stage with wonderful and very talented, beautiful women. And this is all praises to God, and all I can say during the calling of the names, just push through this day and everything will be okay. Alhamdulillah. My advocacy is all about Trinayag, where we are going to have a courtesy permission to all the 11 ethno-linguistic tribes here in Davao City, and as well as ask for the participation of their knowledgeable elders for them to teach their oral literature to our digital creators. So we are going to merge one generation to another in order for us to produce a child-centered storybooks for our children here in Davao City.
So, importante na magka-connect ang elders and also the children sa mga advocacy.
It's very important for us to connect one generation to another, because every year we lost one elder, and along with them we lose another story, and we should take an action towards it, and actually for us to enrich our cultural heritage here in Davao City.
Hi, Maria, I would like to ask,
Thank you.
although that you had that title, but you were being trended sa mga videos nato sa interview, what is the feeling that our interview has been trending ba?
All I can say is not being trending. It's just me being a Mrana person, being a Mrana woman, and I'm very glad and happy for belonging to a cultural community who really empowers and at the same time in uplifting one another. And thank you kaayo to all my Bangsa Mrana who continuously support our journey here in Hiyas sa Kadayawan.
Do you have a message of gratitude to those who have supported you throughout this journey?
To all of my supporters, Mranaos, to non-Mranaos, and to all tribes that have been supporting me, know that this journey is not mine alone but also yours, for you entrusted me with this journey, and Alhamdulillah, we are now the Hiyas sa Kalambuan 2026.